So hi everyone, I am Roger Adernado from BSED English 2A. So for today's video, I will be talking about fairy tales. So fairy tales have always been the beloved genre of stories, capturing the hearts and imaginations of both children and adults alike. They transport us to a magical world filled with fantastical creatures, daring adventures, and valuable life lessons. Each fairy tale has its own unique set of characters, settings, and themes that resonate with readers in different ways. So, the first fairy tale that I'm going to talk about today is the Hans Christian Andersen fairy tales. For example, are known for their enchanting characters like the Little Mermaid and the Ugly Duckling. These stories often explore themes of love, transformation, and self discovery, teaching readers important lessons about perseverance, kindness, and inner beauty. Hans Christian Andersen, set in a fantastical world, transport us to a land where anything is possible, where dreams come true, and where the power of human spirit triumphs over adversity. On the other hand, we have the Grimm's fairy tale, taker a darker and more cautionary approach, featuring characters like the evil queen from Snow White and the cunning wolf from the Little Red Riding Hood. These stories are set in eerie forests and enchanted realms, where danger lurks around every corner and where morality put to the test. But also, Grimm's fairy tale also have a moral lessons, where it talks about the greed, vanity, and naivety, reminding us readers to be cautious, to trust their instinct, and always be mindful to our consequences. Next, we have the Disney adaptation of fairy tales such as the Cinderella and the Sleeping Beauty, bring the more light-hearted and whimsical twist to its original stories. This colorful and musical animation transport us to a magical kingdom filled with talking animals and mystical creatures where love, courage, and self-belief reign supreme. Of course, when we say Disney version, it also have a moral lesson when it is typically emphasize the power of love, importance of believing oneself, and the magical of following your dream. In contrast, the original version of children's fairy tales by Charles Perrault and the Brothers Grimms often have the darker and more cautionary themes set in European villages and enchanted forests. These stories feature protagonists who face perilous challenges and navigate moral dilemmas. Of course, the lesson in these tales typically warn against danger of world, the importance of honor, and the consequences of making a poor choices. So moreover to another fairy tale, the 1001 Nights, or mostly known as the Arabian Nights, offer a glimpse in the exotic land of Persia and Arabia, where characters like Aladdin, Ali Baba, and Sinbad the sailor embark on a magical adventure and encounter fantastical creatures. This story revolved around themes of magic, destiny, and the power of storytelling, teaching readers the importance of wit, bravery, and enduring legacy of oral traditions. So the next one is The Tale of the Peter Rabbit, a classical children's fairy tale follows a mischievous rabbit as he learns the hard way about the consequences of disobedience and curiosity, set in English countryside. This tale teaches us valuable lessons about responsibility, obedience, and the dangers of being too curious. Next, we have the Curious George. Another beloved children's character causes a chaos wherever he goes, but eventually, he learned about valuable lessons about the consequences of his action. Set in bustling city, this story highlights themes of curiosity, friendship, forgiveness, reminding readers that it is important to think before acting and always consider the impact of the decision making that we are doing. Next, we have the Charlotte Web, a heartwarming tale set of farm in Maine explores themes loyalty, sacrifice, and self of life through unlike friendship between pig named Wilbur, a wise spider named Charlotte, This story emphasizes the power of friendship, the beauty of selflessness, and the importance of standing by whose we care about. Of course, finally, we have Winnie the Pooh and his friends with the 100 Acre Wood take readers on a whimsical adventure filled with important life lessons about friendship, imaginations, and acceptance. It is a set of peaceful forests. This story celebrates the joys of being true to oneself, embracing differences, and finding happiness in the simple pleasures of life. In conclusion, fairy tales are more than just stories. There are timeless classics that teach us valuable lessons about life, love, and human experiences. Whether we are exploring fantastical world with Hans Christian Andersen, navigating to the forest of Brothers Grimm, and embarking the magical adventures with the Disney fairy tales, have a way to capture our imagination and touching our hearts in a way that stay with us long after final page is turned. That's all for today's video. So I hope you guys learned something from me. Bye-bye!